Kardom,
Kardom,
mesen langma.
Mesin lang ma.
It's called Kardom means greetings. Mesen langma. Are you fine? Are you okay?
Are you fine? Mesin lang ma.
Shamanga Kesha, he'll be your judge for tomorrow. And we also have Miss Miss Assam, and she is Miss Assam 2024, and she is also a judge for tomorrow, ma'am. Yeah, you want to? No.
Like back then in 2021, I guess.
Yeah.
Oh, you
Yes.
What?
Yes.
Now the real
Yes.
will come up.
Alright, so thank you so much.
Thank you.
But don't leave without having coffee.
Thank you so much, Miss. It was a great time with you all.
Same here, same here.
Thank you so much. Kardom, you're watching Nordisk Karbi Live, the mirror of society. My name is Sir Mahinderangpi, and right now I'm in Hotel Hempi, Difu Karbi Anglong. As you know, the Karbi Youth Festival 2025 has started from 15th of this January and will end till 19th of January 2025. And this year, this is the 51st edition of Karbi Youth Festival. And as usual, the Jagwe NGO committee, they have organized the Miss KYF competition as usual, and the grooming session is going on here in Hotel Hempi, Birla, Difu. So within a short while, we are going to show the contestants of the 51st edition of Miss KYF 2025. And along with the contestant, we are going to have an interaction with the judges and also the special invited guests of the 51st edition of Karbi Youth Festival, Miss KYF 2025. So let's go without any hurry. So, dear viewers of Northeast Kirby Live, we have a very exclusive guest as well as judges for the 51st edition of KYF, that is Miss KYF 2025. So, without any delay, we are going to have an interaction with them. So, first, we have Miss Assam 2024 with us. So, yes, hi from Northeast Kirby Live News Channel.
Hello, Kardom.
Kardom. So, how are you feeling coming here to Difu Karbi Anglong?
I was already excited, and yet the excitement is still on. The grand finale is yet to be done, that is tomorrow, and I'm looking forward. I see all the contestants here, so I wish all of them a very best. Give your best and rock the stage. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. So I wanted to ask you one more question. Is this your first time in Karbi Anglong?
Yes, yes, it is.
Okay, so we are hoping you try more of the food and also see the culture out here as we have much more to offer.
Yes.
And also, what would you like to give message to the contestant of the Miss KYF 2025?
Okay, so a simple and the only message which I want to give, just be real on stage. Show yourself. Don't pretend to be someone else. Show yourself and show your uniqueness. That will, of course, make you win. All the very best again.
Thank you so much, Mrs. Sam. That was indeed what a queen would say to the participants. Thank you so much. And also, we have the judges, dashing judges, all the way from Guwahati, I guess. So I will be having a short interaction with him also. So, sir, how are you feeling coming here to Karbi Anglong?
First of all, it's a fantastic experience. This is the second time actually. I recently had a visit, and then this is the second time, and it's very overwhelming. The people here, the hospitality is top notch. I've been just enjoying the local cuisine. Last time also I clicked pictures and everybody was asking me about the food, especially. And again, the people are so warm here. I'm so happy to be a part of this mega event actually.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. One more question to go. I would like to ask, what are you looking for? Like, who can be the Miss KYF 2025? What quality are you looking?
See, basically, all of them, when I saw them, they are all beautiful looking Kabi girls, and everybody has the potential. I feel I'm not trying to sugarcoat anything. Everybody had the potential to be the next Miss Karbi. However, as I said, it's a competition. Somebody has to win. So there are a lot of factors. As I'm the director of Miss Assam organization and also the talent scout for Miss India organization. So as a talent scout, I keep looking for talents which can go ahead and represent our state in a national or international level. So I see the potential here. Let's see if somebody can come and make their place proud in the national or the international platform. So yeah, keeping our fingers crossed and let the best one wins.
As sir told that there are many opportunities that they are providing, they are going to take the girls, the winner, to the national level, and not only national but international level. That is a very good, thing that he have said to us, that he have given. So one more last question to you, sir. How have you come in contact with the organization like the Miss Karbi Youth Festival?
Yes. So I would like to say that, first of all, thanks to the beautiful daughter of Kabi Anglong, Anushka Teronpi. She is the first runners up of Miss Assam 2024, and through her, we got the opportunity to meet people like Julie. She's a very good friend of ours, and a very strong. I really admire her because of her strong, strong Karbi blood that she has, that the love for the place. She introduced me to the Karbi youth, KYF committee members, and it was like, I always wanted to come and work in Karbi Anglong, but then I think God's timing is the right timing. This it was supposed to happen this year. So as Anushka is doing a fantastic job, we are actually hoping and praying that more girls like Anushka should come out from Karbi Anglong. And one more thing, I almost missed it. So whoever will be the winner of KYF 2025 will get the direct entry in the upcoming Miss Assam 2025 in the top 20. So yeah, stakes are high. So all of you girls have to work really hard to be on that stage. Thank you.
That's a great opportunity which has been now told by Sir. I hope the girls are all prepared. Thank you so much. Hope you have a great time ahead. Thank you. Now we will be moving forward to another beautiful lady. She is Miss Assam Universe. Hi, welcome to Karbi Anglong.
Namaskar and Kardam.
Is this your first time here in Difu Karbi Anglong?
No, it's my second time actually. I came here last time. I met our beautiful Julie. The hospitality here is so good. I love the people, and as we all know that Karbi Anglong is home to our reigning Miss Assam first runner-up Anushka, and it's so good to be here, meeting the people that she has, grown up with, and knowing her culture. It's a great, we are having a really great time here.
Okay, thank you so much. And also one message from your side to the contestant of Miss KYF 2025.
Remember that you are in a beauty pageant. You are not in a runway show. Smile. You have to please people with your kindness and your good heart. Always smile when you walk. Look at the audience, make eye contact, and prepare your answers beautifully and in short. Thank you.
Thank you so much. That was a wonderful message. As she have mentioned that we must have a good heart because beauty should be inside and out. Thank you so much for that wonderful message. And also we have the beautiful judge with us. Hi, ma'am. Is this your first time in Difu?
Yes, this is my first time in Karbi Anglong, Tifu. My name is Nora. Yes, and I'm the co-director of Miss Assam organization, and I am also the state director for Miss Universe Assam. So Karbi Anglong, I've been hearing about Karbi Anglong from a very long time, and it is such a privilege to visit and then being here physically, looking at all the top 16 beautiful girls from Karbi Anglong. So excited for tomorrow. Thank you so much, the media team also, for covering us. It will be such an honor.
Okay. Producer?
I am the state director for
Okay.
Miss Universe Assam.
Okay, as she is a state director, it's our privilege having her here. So I want to request one thing. Can you say a little bit in Karbi? Kardom,
Kardom,
mesen langma.
Mesen Langma.
It's called Kardom means greetings. Mesen langma. Are you fine? Are you okay?
Are you fine? Mesen Langma.
Thank you so.
Nagaland, now settled in Assam. So I had been in pageants before. I was Miss Nagaland in the year 2006, and I was also Mega Miss Northeast in the year 2008. So looking at all the beautiful girls, being in a pageant is not easy. And then just one word goes out from my end. We are looking out for girls who are versatile. At the end of the day, it's very important, as my, winner of Miss Universe Assam has said it, that being kind is really important. What you're wearing, what you are, the makeup and everything will go away, as Lara Datta said. But then end of the day, it will come out of us how you treat people, of how kind you are. So girls, please remember that. And I know that tomorrow it's going to be fantastic. All the very best.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I hope that was enough encouragement that she has given to all the top 16 girls of the Miss KYF 2025. Thank you so much, ma'am. Hope you have a great time ahead. So, dear viewers of Northeast Karbi Live, this was the interaction with our lovely judges as well as invited guests all the way from Guwahati. And to tell you guys that these are the top 16 participants of Miss KYF 2025. It will be held live tomorrow, that is 18th of January 2025 at Singmirjing Achatay, Karbi People Hall, Taralangso. Lasikado ka visitami ning chibi po pusining thelo alang nitum hello bang crate truck Miss KYF kachipateji surihini reng korapo komada kung repitong ponjine labangso Miss KYF a title. Who will be winning the Miss KYF 2025? We all are eager to know. We are excited. Are you girls excited? Yes. I can hear the excitement from them. So don't forget to watch live the Miss KYF 2025 at Singmirjing Achatay tomorrow evening. Keep watching Northeast Karbi Live for more news updates. Kardom.